everyone. Hi. Are you an educator? Yes, guys. You know why? And you are doing that question on purpose. Uyanda, the ambassador, the first ever in the history of Big Brother. The ambassador. Oh man, thank you so much. Thank you. Uziva njani? I never experienced it. I never experienced it. Yeah, man, I'm super grateful. I'm happy. I'm excited. I just can't wait to start working. Yeah, man. How is you? Me is fine. Me is fine. Me is great, man. Me is fantastic. Me is scrumptious. You know the vibes? How do you feel being selected as the first ever? It's I'm feeling grateful, to be honest. Yeah, I'm happy. You can tell by the smile, the facial expression. Yeah, I'm happy. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, man. It's been a while. It's been a while. There's a lot of things that have...
The brand ambassador.
The Sheila's Punchway. The Sheila's Punch Way. Enda. Marilini. Aslali la. Aslali siyadesha asidishini. Asidlali la. Upatele ugogo from Botswana. Yes. Yes. I don't play with my grandmother. I don't play with my grandmother. Kura baya ngola ba abantu bomculo. Yeah, man. I just can't wait. I can't wait for you guys to see me on those events. Now what really are you going to